Tesla is selling 2021 Model 3 on its website that it calls demo vehicles, whose battery packs date back to 2017. The vehicles come with a small disclaimer at the bottom saying range figures may be up to 12% lower due to battery age. Vehicles affected by this disclaimer aren't as cheap. This vehicle was built with a new battery pack manufactured as early as 2017. As a result of their age, their range has diminished, the site warns. Why Tesla has decided to use these old stock batteries is not clear. The company's construction of Model 3 was certainly hampered by issues that year, which Tesla called production hell. The question of how warranties will work is also unanswered. Considering how important batteries are to an EV, it's not convincing a 2021 car with a potentially 2017 battery pack should be sold as a 2021 car.